Hi, and welcome to another great tutorial. So today we're gonna start to learn how to create a very professional Facebook business page for your business and for your clients. So we're starting with the creation of the Facebook page first, just because that you will not be able to run your ads on Facebook until and unless you have a very professional Facebook business page and Instagram page. So that's why I want to teach you the creation of the Facebook page first. So if you're someone who is following through the course sequence, then that's fine. And but if you're someone who are new to this channel, then please make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new tutorial. So let's get started with the video. And today in this video, we will just simply set up the Facebook page with some information, and in the next tutorial we will take a look at some of its most important settings and its connection with the Instagram account. So let's get started. So first of all, you will need to log into your Facebook account to create a professional Facebook business page. And we will use all of the information. Just for example, I will use all of the names and info as a dummy credentials or information. So we are here on the Facebook main interface. This interface change with the passage of time. So first you will need to click on the icon of the pages at the top of the screen. Now here on the left side, we can see that there are different Facebook pages, and if we click on the see all pages, we will see even all of the pages that are all actually of my clients. So we will need to click on create a new page because we're creating a new page, right? So on the left side, you can see there are different fields that we will need to fill in. So let's get started with the page information. So in the first field, we will need to provide our Facebook page name. You will need to provide your own information according to your needs. I mean, for what purpose are you going to create your Facebook page? And for now, we are going to use dummy names, right? Dummy bakery, right? And then in the category field, we will need to provide the category. So let's search with the bakery and see. Yeah, that's great. We have the option, and then let's provide a description. You will need to provide your own description of your own business. I may not provide anything in the description field, but for your understanding, I will just provide a simple description. This is Dummy's Bakery. Okay, so you will need to provide relevant information in the description field because your visitor will take a look every time when they visit your page, and this is also just like an introduction to your business. So make sure to provide relevant and concise information about your business. So let's click create a page. Okay, so finally we're done with the creation of the Facebook page, but the game is not yet over. We will need to provide other information as well, like providing the profile image and the cover image. And all of these images, you will provide your own images, but I'm just using a dummy picture, right? So let's click with the, yeah, I have this one. That's great. So we're done with the profile image, and now we're going to add the cover image. And let's see if I can find. Let's try with the same image. Yeah, that's good, but it doesn't look fine, and Facebook may not accept this cover image as it may be very small. But let's try this. Yeah, Facebook says this image is small, so we will need to find a larger image for cover image. So you can find and relevant image for your own page when you create the page, and you may have the cover image designed already. So for now, we're almost done with the creation of the Facebook page, but yet here you can see that we have just completed 4 steps out of 13 steps. Uh, but for now, we need to edit the page information. So on the left side, you're seeing edit page info tab. So let's click on it. Okay, again, we're looking at the page name, which is fine, and the username. So let's try the username dummy bakery. Yeah, that's good. Dummy bakery. Okay, so finally Facebook accepted our username, and again you will need to provide your own description, and then the category which we have already selected in the start, and here you will need to provide your own phone number. So I'm providing all of the dummy information, so none of this information is correct, just to teach you how to create a Facebook page. gmail.com, your website. If you have a website, then you can enter your URL in this field. But if you don't have a website, then you simply click on this option, and then it will not push you again to add a website. But if you have a website, then that's great. Just provide your own website link. And now here you will need to provide your business location, your address, so the zip code and the city and the address etc. So if you don't have a location, if your business doesn't have any address, physical address, then you simply click on my page does not have a location. Let's click on the additional location details. Does your page have physical location that customer can visit? You can take a look at all of this information and see accordingly if something needs to be changed or added something. Service area. So in this field, you'll need to provide, your service area. I mean, where your business operates. So I will just provide admin name. Yeah, that's great. And now you will need to provide the your business hours. If you don't have any hours and your business is always open, then you click on the always open, permanently close upon selected hours. When you click on open on selected hours, you will need to provide the days, opening time and closing time. But if it is always open, then you will need to click on always open, and you may take a look on all of these details and see what needs to be changed accordingly. So due to COVID, if there are some changes in your service, then you may identify or indicate your customers that what has changed in your service. And in the more option, you will need to provide your privacy policy and the details of your products and more information about your business. And then under the price range, you may need to provide the your price range accordingly based on your business or your client business. But if you don't have if you don't need to provide, then just not applicable, click on not applicable, and other click on other accounts. So we're almost done with the information, but still we may need to provide some more information, like let's add a button. You can see all of these buttons, then you can add to your page. But I'm gonna just add the send message button. So the button has been added, and now you can see that we have completed 9 steps out of 13 steps. So in the other option, we can provide more information, but I think that's done. And in the next tutorial, we will take a look on all of these settings that you see on the screen, and then connecting your Instagram and WhatsApp account. So that's how simply you can create your Facebook business page for your business or for your clients. In the next tutorial, we will take a look on some of the very important settings of a Facebook page, and I will teach you how can you connect your Instagram account, and then how can you create your own Instagram business account so that you can run the Facebook ads without any hassle. I hope this has been helpful for you, and please make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon if you are new to this channel so that you get notified whenever we upload a new tutorial. I am Shafi, an expert digital marketer with a specialty in social media marketing and SEO, blogging, and content marketing. And I will teach you my personal life experiences, tips, tricks, and strategies so that you can implement all of these strategies in your own business and maximize your profit. Thank you.